I'm Realte. This is beginner tips on your first stream. What to say, what to do, and what to avoid. Let's get started. All right. So you've got your setup ready to go. Mic, cam, overlays. Maybe even a dope little stream intro. Now what? It's time to actually hit that go live button. And yeah, that part can be scary, but I got you. First things first, test your setup. I know you tested it yesterday. Do it again. Open OBS or Streamlabs, check your mic levels, test your camera angles, make sure your alerts are working. You know, that little sound check could save you a whole stream of silent chaos. We've all had it. Next, double check your stream title and game/category. Give your stream a name that makes people curious or lets them know what you're doing. Like First Stream Vibes, Come Hang, or Testing the Waters, Stream number 1. Don't overthink it, just make it inviting. Bring the people. What to say when you go live. Now, when you hit that go live button, assume nobody is watching and start talking anyway. Trust me. Say, hey, introduce yourself, talk about the game you're playing or the vibe of the stream. Something like, yo, what's up? I'm Realte, and this is officially my first stream ever. I'm diving into Fortnite, and we're figuring this thing out together. Let's go. That was lame, but you know what I'm saying. Even if the chat is quiet, keep the energy up, narrate what you're doing, react it out loud, and treat it like a conversation. You're practicing being your own co-host until the people show up. Now, okay, let's talk about what's not to do. Do not stare at your viewer count. I'm serious. Turn it off. You have to. Whether you've got 10 people or none, your energy should stay the same. Keep it up here, not here. Don't be hard on yourself. If things feel awkward, it's literally your first stream. You're learning. And please, don't say, well, nobody's watching anyway, because somebody might pop up in that exact moment. And you don't want to, nobody wants to show up to a cry fest. They come in for the vibes. So real quick, I'm going to give you a couple bonus tips, so bring it in. 1, make a simple checklist. Mine is mic on, camera centered, title set, snacks nearby. The little things matter. 2, do a fake stream. Just record yourself talking and playing. It helps you feel more natural. I'm telling you, it helps. 3, celebrate it. Your first stream is a big deal. Save that VOD, post a clip, give yourself some props because most people didn't even start. They didn't even hit that button. Give yourself some kudos. Now, that's it. You're ready to go live like a pro. If it helped, hit that like button and drop a comment letting me know how your first stream went. And if you're still nervous, don't worry. I got more beginner tips coming. So make sure you subscribe and stick around. See you in the next one. Bye.